Here's an interesting app called FLYP, Fashion Studio in your pocket. As you can see, it's getting into top charts in graphics and design. FLYP is on a mission to democratize fashion design. FLYP is the world's first fashion design app that lets you design and sell fashion collections straight from your phone. Design straight from your phone, apparel, accessories, and objects that can be made and delivered in a matter of days. Get ready to unleash your creative potential with FLYP's advanced 3D design tools and AI. Browse curated selection of premium clothing templates, including t-shirts, hoodies, sneakers. Let your imagination run wild as you customize each piece with your own personal touch. Order, so yeah, you can just order it and then you can sell your own designs. It's pretty interesting idea, so let's just check it out. So here you have how you can create fashion collection. Design with no boundaries, start from premium templates. So I'm not sure if it's something like Teespring or something like that, you know, where, yeah. So for example, yeah, you can just select this hoodie and then you can just write some text. And then you just select font. Okay, whatever. So then you just do that, use this text, and then you can position it like you wanna. You can just move it. It's quite cool, and then you can just favorite it, add it to assets. You can apply to all of this, and then you just have it like that. Then you can just see how it might look like. Yeah, and then background, like, okay, so let's, for example, okay, but that's just the background for, yeah, for the app, not for the hoodie. Or you can just use AI, and then it will just use AI to generate some cool prints. So yeah, quite cool. And then, yeah, you have kind of interesting. Anyways, so that's the idea. For example, you have that. And then what you can do, you can see your assets. You can change color. Then you can just save it. And then premium hoodie. It will be like $64. And then you can just purchase. Please try again. So yeah, like you can just build your own design. For some reason, purchase doesn't work. Maybe, yeah, maybe it's just requires the account. So you need to create your account. But yeah, I think this app is kind of like Teespring, just for yourself. And then there is a free trial. There's FLYP, and then you can also launch your shop if you wanna. But then, yeah, for example, I have this. Packs. So yeah, quite cool. AI brand creator. Then so kind of cool, right? And then you can set up shipping address. So yeah, it's like you can do all of this stuff just from your phone. You don't need to go to the website, etc. So yeah, give it a try.